Charlene here and welcome to my channel. So this video is a little bit terrifying for me because in this video I'm going to cut my hair. So this is going to be the first time that I will be doing it myself because I've been really wanting to have a haircut, but I'm still not comfortable to go to a salon or a hairdresser. So I just decided to search it on YouTube and I found this really amazing video. So she cut her own hair at home and she had an amazing result from it. And it looked really simple, to be honest. So I was like, maybe I should just try it as well. So here I am. I am honestly really nervous right now. I've cut my fringe before, but it's like a hit and miss. So sometimes I would be happy with the result, but sometimes I would regret and promise myself that I'm not going to be doing it again, but I'd still do it anyway. But I haven't done it on the rest of my hair. So it was just my fringe, and this is going to be the first time that I'm gonna be doing it myself. So what she said on the video that we're gonna need for this DIY haircut at home with layers. The first thing is we're gonna need a hair straightener, which we're gonna be using before we cut our hair. I've already used the hair straightener, so as you can see, I've already got pretty straight hair. And then we're going to use a hairbrush, 4 hair ties, scissors, and also some thinning scissors as well if you've got some. So now that I've already flat ironed my hair, the next thing that she did on the video was she brushed her hair all towards her face like this. And then just try to make sure that everything's brushed properly from the back. I am so nervous. Okay, so now I'm going to tie my hair here. She also mentioned that it's pretty important where you tie your hair. So if you tie your hair here where I'm gonna do it, like at the front, it's going to give you more layers at the front. But if you tie it further at the back, like here on top of your head, then it's going to give you more layers at the back. But I want it to be at the front, so I'm just gonna copy what she did. Okay, so now it's going to look like that. And then I'm gonna grab the second hair tie and I'm gonna put it just right here below my chin, just to make sure that it's not gonna move. So just something like this. And then the third hair tie, I'm gonna put where I'm going to be cutting it. So as you can see, the ends of my hair are really dead. Like it's got a lot of split ends. So I might just put it here. Okay. So now I'm gonna grab my scissors. I am so scared. So what she said was to cut it from here. So scared. I've got my hair. So I got my hair. It feels so soft. Okay, so next, she divided her hair into 3 sections. So I'm just gonna use the rest of the hair ties to divide my hair into 3. So now it looks like this. And then the next thing that she did was she point cut the ends of her hair. So she did it one at a time. So I'm just gonna start off with this one first. Now it feels a lot like softer at the end compared to these ones. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the second one. I'm shaking. I'm really nervous about this thing. Then the last one. So now, as you can see, it looks a little softer and thinner at the ends compared to when I just cut it. But let me just see if it's straight enough. This one is a little longer, so I'm just gonna trim it again. So now that it looks like this, the moment of truth. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove this and we're going to see what happened to my hair. It looks very soft. Hang on. It's not bad. I mean, I still have the length. It's super soft. I'm happy that it's not short. Like, I still have the length here. I'm really happy that it didn't make it really short. I like this. See, I've got some layers here. Okay, so the next thing that she did on that video was What are you doing? My dog. What's wrong? Okay, so the next thing that she did on that video was she just made sure that her layers were even. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm gonna be using my thinning scissors as well. Shh. But if you don't have thinning scissors, she said you can just keep on using your normal scissors and point cut it like what I did earlier. Since I've got this, let me try and use it. I'm just gonna try and match my front layers. So this one is a little shorter than this one, so I'm just gonna try and match them. Scissors. Am I doing it wrong? Maybe I'll use the normal one first, just to make sure that I've got the layers matching from both sides. I cut this one a little short, didn't I? But that's okay. Don't really think I'm gonna need the thinning scissors, but I think if you've got thick hair, then you might have to do more point cutting or like thinning scissors, because I don't have thick hair. My hair is really thin, so I really like this. But let me try and style it the way I normally would when I just had a haircut with layers. So I'll be back and I will show you the results. Okay, so I have styled my hair and I am loving it. Like, I've got these little like layers at the front, which I don't mind, but if you don't like short layers here, maybe just cut it a little bit lower, or maybe just bring it more on top of your head than here at the front. So this is how it looks like at the moment. It's very lightweight and I can see the layers and I really like it. So yeah, I'm so happy because this just saved me at least, like, you know, 40 or 50 bucks, and now I can just do it myself at home. If you're bored or if you really want to have a haircut but you can't go out, pretty sure you guys are going to be able to do it as well. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. I really like it. I'll show you how it looks like at the back as well. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. And also, I do hope that you enjoyed watching this video and that you find this video helpful as well. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comment section below what you think of this haircut. And if you have any recommendation as well for my upcoming YouTube videos, please let me know in the comment section below. Follow me on my social media account as well, which I will be putting in here. Thank you so much again for watching, and I hope to see you all on my next one. Bye!